Hi guys, it's Steve from Techie Tips, and what I want to show you today is just a couple of interesting methods. The first one is a method to check your memory on your device, either your laptop or your desktop, using a built-in program in Windows 10, which is called Memory Diagnostics. And what we use this for is we use this to check the memory and the memory module in your laptop or your desktop that's running Windows 10. So let me just show you how to do that. This doesn't take very long at all. It's quite quick. So if we come down to the search button, the search bar, and we type in mem or memory, you get this Windows Memory Diagnostics application, and you want to click on Run as Administrator. And what happens is you get this box come up here now. You have two options: restart now and then check for problems, which they recommend. But a very important point is, before you click this, make sure that you've got any documents or any folders or files saved and closed, because as soon as you click this button here, your computer is going to restart and it will go into the diagnostics memory module. Now, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to lose my recording, obviously. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a picture of what happens when you click this button and then your PC or laptop restarts. You will get the following option come up as soon as your PC is started. So you will see this as soon as the PC reboots. Now, as you can see, this is telling you that it's checking the memory, and it gives you the percentage of how far it's gone through. When it finishes, you'll get a pop-up notification in the right-hand bottom corner of your screen, which looks like this. So I'm showing you a picture of that now. If it finds any errors, what it does, it tries to auto repair them, and if there are any errors, this process will repair them. So once that's finished, if you restart your PC, then you should have no memory problems, and any errors that it found, it will automatically fix. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to use the Windows Memory Diagnostics tool. Now, secondly, I want to show you something else. I want to show you how you can scan and repair your system files. Okay, so this is another very quick way to do it. So what we do is we come down to the search button here, we type in CMD, and we run as administrator here. You'll get this pop up: do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes, and then you're into the administration command prompt center. Make sure that it says select administrator, because that's the option that we chose. Now I want you to enter a command in here. It's sfc space / scan now, and then press enter. So what you're going to see is you're going to get this message here: beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification, phase of the system scan, and it tells you how long it's got left to go before it's complete. And as you can see here, this is currently on 7%. So we'll just leave that for a short while. And what I'm going to do, because it's currently on 17%, I'm just going to pause the video and wait for this to complete, and I'll come straight back to you. Hi guys, it's me again. Just to let you know that we're now at 90%, so we'll just watch this go through to 100%, and then what it will do, it will give us some more informative messages. If it's found any corrupt system files, it will have repaired them. If it can't repair them, it will tell you what to do. So here we have it. We've got Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So it actually found some corrupt files on my PC, and it's actually repaired them. So I can go into the logs to look at what was wrong, but I don't need to, because I can clearly read here, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So that was well worth doing. So that's just a little quick way of repairing any system files that could be causing hang-ups and you to have performance issues. So that's it for this quick tutorial. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative technical fixes. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.